Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to cook vermicelli noodles for spring rolls. Start by soaking noodles in hot water for 3 minutes, then drain and rinse under cold water to stop cooking and firm the noodles. Gently toss with a teaspoon of neutral oil to prevent sticking, and portion into small bowls so each roll gets the right amount without tearing the rice paper. Soak the vermicelli briefly in very hot water for 2 to 4 minutes until pliable but still slightly firm in the center. Stir gently a few times during soaking so strands separate and hydrate evenly and avoid clumping. Drain quickly, then rinse under cold water to halt cooking and preserve texture, shaking off excess water before tossing with a touch of oil so they don't stick during rolling. After draining, rinse the vermicelli under cold running water to cool and stop the cooking process right away. Spread noodles out briefly to air slightly, then toss with a teaspoon of neutral oil to keep strands separate and slippery for rolling. Portion with clean hands or tongs into small nests for each roll, and avoid overstuffing so the rice paper seals easily and the noodles stay tender inside every bite.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.